Mike at Narx Customs. Your video today is of heroes and hot rods of the Ozarks 2020 car show. Of course, we had to take the cart. I'll link the video for the extra tubing bending and stuff like that I did up in the corner. But y'all, this show is amazing. There's a ton of new stuff. There were people that came from all over the country to be here. It was a lot of fun. Wait till you see the Rat Rod camper. It was absolutely ridiculous. Anyways, thanks to Nathan Skelton and Eric Holland and the whole Heroes and Hot Rods team. It was an absolute blast. And for all the new subscribers we got from there, welcome and thank you for watching. Whoa, look at it. You see it? How cool is that? Dude, that guy's I appreciate it.
I think this guy, hey, I think you're ready for the apocalypse.
Oh my gosh. Look at the steering box.
I don't know if
Go right after the Heroes truck unveil. We're gonna have a live auction, so just make your way from this point right over there. We're gonna start that. There's a lot of good items. You want to stay around for that. But before I take the cover off, I'd like to give you a little bit of history about the truck. So back in 1957, my uncle had bought the truck brand new for my aunt, so it's been in the family for years. And it ended up being my first truck in high school. And I went to the military, and my uncle begged me, said, do not sell it, you're going to regret it. And of course, at that age, you know everything, okay? So I sold it. And long story short, it took me 15 years to track it down, and I was constantly looking for it. I went through probably 10 different owners of the truck. And we finally found it about this time last year. And so at that point, I decided, hey, this event's going to grow, and we need a truck to represent as we travel around the states. Promote Heroes and Hot Rods and what we're doing for our veterans. So that's why we decided to go ahead and use this truck and make it the Heroes truck. So before I take the cover off, I need to thank some of my sponsors, because without them, this wouldn't be possible. And the first one I want to thank is, I don't know if Becky, are you here? I didn't see her, but she's the owner of LMC. She's supposed to come down. Something may happen, but I don't see her here. But anyway, she was our #1 sponsor, and most of the new parts on here, almost all of the new parts, come from LMC. If you don't know, LMC Truck is a huge supporter of our veterans. They give 20% off. It's not something they advertise, but they do that. So if you're a veteran, you're ordering truck parts or car parts, let them know you're a veteran, and you'll get honored in that way. But again, can't thank them enough. Me and Jared actually went down there. Come on, Jared, get up here. He loves to be the center of attention, by the way. Hey, give him a round of applause. This is the builder right here. We'll get to that here in a minute. And you'll see his work in front of you, okay? But anyway, so me and Jared took a trip down, the first part of the year, and went to the factory. Becky took us through it and toured us, and we got a chance to see their operation and also meet a lot of the workers there. I think about half the workers there were veterans, and they were very proud of you know, giving veterans jobs and things like that. So anyway, I can't thank LMC enough. We do have some other sponsors. Obviously, Jared with Old School Sheet Metal Repair. You'll see his work in a minute, and it'll speak for itself. I'm telling you, this truck is beyond anything I ever dreamed of. It's awesome. It's done right. He's very particular, and you'll see in a minute. If you want a truck done and you want it done right, this is the guy to do it. Okay, so again, Jared, thanks so much for that. I know him and his wife spent hours, about 700 plus hours, just in the sheet metal, a bunch. And I helped when I could a little bit, but this man and his wife and his family is the one that did it. So anyway, Jared, I thank you for that. And Alpha Color Paint supplied the paint for it. It's the color's gonna be cool vanilla and a shimmer-on red. You'll see that here in a minute. Painless performance products for our wiring. Pete and Jake's hot rod chassis parts. They're in Kansas City. You guys are looking for a new chassis. It's a family-owned business down there. The grandpa, the father, and the son, phenomenal people. Highly recommend them. Again, Pete and Jake's hot rod parts. Tanks Incorporated, Classic Instruments, Bose Engineering, and Billet King. So without that, I'm going to give Jared the mic. He can start telling you a little bit about it, and then I'm going to get some help. We're going to take the cover off as he talks.
I'm Jared Bowen with Old School Sheet Metal Repair. My wife and I are co-owners in the business. We got our hands on a few projects. Eric supposed to be in this truck last year and asked someone to basically take over the body and paint on it, and we couldn't say no because of the story and the history that was in. So, without further ado, here it is.
Oh, the carload there, it's a 57 GMC, small back glass. Like I said, it's been in the family for all these years. We finally got it back. I'll just kind of go over a little bit of details. You guys can surely come over and look at it in a minute, but the seats come from PMI. Some of you can probably see this. They custom board my senior master sergeant rank in the seats. And then I tried to add a lot of air.
So origami bookmark.
It's an origami bookmark.
That you made?
Yeah.
See, that's how it started.
right, guys, that's it. Hey, I really appreciate you guys watching. Again, we are giving the Narx cart away. There was a ton of interest in it yesterday. We actually picked up a whole bunch of subscribers last night and this morning early. So thank you again for all the new folks, and thanks to everybody that's been around with us for a long time. So, all right, I'm out of here. If you want to see daily updates, follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Everything's under Narx Customs. See ya.